Sai Hira Ram, everybody. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, this is the recipe of tomato sauce, a classic homemade sauce that blends effortlessly with every dish. The ingredients used for this recipe are: we will first make a small spice pouch that will add deep flavor to the dish. The spice pouch will include spices like black pepper, cloves, cardamom, bay leaf, and cinnamon. The main ingredients of this dish include chopped tomatoes, finely chopped onion, garlic, ginger, salt, Kashmiri red chilies, vinegar, rock salt, sugar, oil, and water. For making this dish, first take a pot and add water to it. Bring this water to a boil. To this boiling water, add garlic, ginger, and Kashmiri red chilies. Mix this well. To this mixture, add the chopped onion, followed by the chopped tomatoes. Take the prepared whole spices, tie them into a spice pouch, and place it inside the pot. Now add rock salt, a little black pepper, and some water so that the ingredients are nicely moist. Let this entire mixture cook slowly. Keep stirring occasionally and allow the flavors to develop beautifully. Once everything is well cooked, remove the spice pouch, turn off the heat, and allow the mixture to cool down. After it cools down, grind everything into a smooth paste. Take a pan, add a little bit of oil, and pour in this prepared puree. Mix it well, add some vinegar and sugar, and cook until the sauce becomes well blended and glossy. And that's it. It is so simple to make your homemade tomato sauce. Fresh, balanced, and truly homemade. Enjoy it with pasta, pizza, sandwiches, or your favorite snacks. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. With the blessings of Sai Hiral Shah, this is the recipe of tomato sauce.